Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with FEMI. Correct Pidgin yannings now what they do. And waiting what they look today now Real Madrid against Barcelona. El Clasico, that one now on Sunday tomorrow. Now then they play that particular one. But me I dey think now, why I supposed to watch El Clasico this year? When I don't go see all the Ubunge footballers, Lionel Messi, in the break and they play. Cristiano Ronaldo, that one don't even go Juventus, they play. Real Madrid this season, then just they play anyhow. Even local team for Nigeria fit win them. Barcelona, then they win some, then they lose some. It get us then just they play. Now Messi no con dey. So me I dey wonder why I go watch El Clasico this year. Normally when I dey like watch El Clasico, I dey see all this Ronaldo, I dey see Lionel Messi, I dey see Roberto Carlos, I dey see even Pep Guardiola that year when he play for Barcelona. All these Obonga players they play. But this year, all these people who I want watch, na Suarez, I been at their coach Lopetegui. Just go to the comment section, share, like, make your friends them see this video. Why you go watch El Clasico this year?